Alright guys, welcome to Plants Array. Today I'm going to be talking about Mexican petunia, how to propagate them, how to take cuttings, and what we do to propagate ours. As you can see there, this is overgrown, and I've added this right here, just kind of lay up against it to kind of push it back out of this walkway. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take a few of these cuttings just to try and trim this up, plus I want a few extras to plant. As you can see here, this one here has been laying on the ground, and it's got little bitty root nodes on it right there. Yeah, there you go. See them right there. Get the camera to focus in. There they are. These right here, everywhere these knuckles are is where roots will form. So when you make your cuttings, just make sure you have some of these knuckles under the water. And we're going to take some cuttings. The only thing you need is just a pair of snips like these. That's all you need. And you're just going to want to trim up just your excess stuff you want to cut back. All this stuff dies down for me in the winter anyway, because I'm in zone 8, so everything freezes out. So at the end of the year, before the frost, I could go ahead and cut this whole bush back, make tons of cuttings off of it, but I don't need that many. I'm going to probably do just 10 or 12. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do some of these cuttings, and I'm going to show you how we propagate them. It's very, very simple. I'll be right back. Alright guys, welcome back. So we're inside now. Here are my cuttings. I just cut these off of the plant. This one here, you can see it's already got a little bit of a root right there to it. We're just gonna take and let's see. Maybe my cutting's not that tall. I'm gonna take and do a few cuttings. Now remember, right here is where your roots are going to be forming out of, so we don't need that. We can just cut this piece off. Now I probably don't need this many, but whatever. I'm not going to use a lot of those tops right there, I don't think. So I don't really need them. Alright, on to the next step. Now all we need is something to put them in. So just a container. And we're going to get some water here. And we're going to put a little bit of water in there. Just nice clean water. I'm going to put all these down. Take these leaves off. Yeah, leave them. Yeah. We'll take everything off. You don't need all these leaves on there. takes about 2 weeks to root these. See, that one's the one that already has a few little roots on it. We're going to stick it in water and those will really come out. I'm going to be doing an update video on this as soon as we start seeing roots. And we're going to see how many days it took exactly. But I'm just pulling these leaves off right here. We don't need all that. We're needing some roots right now. But it's really simple. You just take all the leaves off, stick them in water, change your water out if it starts to look nasty. About 2 weeks and you'll have nice little roots starting to come out. When you start to see the roots come out, you can go ahead and transplant them into dirt and just keep them watered really well. And before long you'll start seeing new growth and you'll have a well-rooted Mexican petunia to plant in your garden. It's a great way to get more plants out of the plants that you already have. Might be able to give some to friends, trade them off for other plants. But this is a great way to propagate and add more color to your garden. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit the like button for me. I'll be coming out with another video very shortly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.